Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different beautiful hangings with paper. So at first we are using some green paper and we are making a hanging fruit from it. You can see how we have made the round shape with it and we have added the leaves. Now we are using some different color paper strips of different sizes and we have pasted it with each other and we have joined the bottom. You can see it is looking like a flower, a beautiful flower. Now this is ready to hang. Now we are using a red paper and giving some folds to it. You can see we have made a square shape and then we have opened it. After opening it, we will cut with hands. You can see how beautifully we have made this beautiful shape. Next again we are using some circular paper with different color and we are folding it and then we will paste it on the base. After pasting it, we will fold it and join both the ends and you can see how beautiful the hanging is ready. Next again we are using the papers and we have folded it and pasted it on the base. And then we will make the bottom part and we will fold it in the same way as shown in the video. Next again we are cutting some paper from between and folding it to make a Chinese hanging. You can use it as a lamp also. You can see how beautiful it is looking now. Next again we are using some paper and made heart shape. You can see how many hearts we have pasted with each other and now we will hang it. You can see we are using some paper strips and making a different shape from it and then we'll make a big heart with it. You can see. Now we are using some gift paper pasted on our normal paper and we have made the triangular shape with it and we'll paste it with each other to make it a flower look. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I mean wow. And you can see we have pasted all the shapes with each other and now this is ready to hang. Now again we are using some paper and some pieces of straw and pasted it with each other. You can see we have made a different shape and now this is ready to be a vase or else you can use that as a lamp. Now we have used some circular shape paper with different colors and different sizes and pasted on each other. You can see we are making a watermelon. We are adding the seeds to it. Next again we are using a green chart paper. You can see how we are folding it. We will use our hands to give the fold and I guess we will make a frog from it. Yes, we are making a frog and I have played with this frog when I was a little child and now we will add eyes and the frog is ready. Now we are using a red paper and cutted this in flower shape and you can see how beautiful the flower is looking and now we'll make some more of it. You can see how we are curling it and now we'll make the vase. Thank you very much for watching the video.